Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete YouTube Shorts tab from your channel. And here's how it's done. Open the YouTube app. Make sure you are logged in into the correct account. Find the Shorts tab. Scroll down and you will see the Shorts section. If you want to remove the Shorts content, you can entirely remove the tab, but there's a workaround. Tap the three dots. For each short, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the video. Select Not Interested. Click Not Interested for each individual short. This will gradually remove them from your feed. Refresh the feed. After making enough shorts as Not Interested, the Shorts section should eventually disappear from your feed. This method doesn't completely remove the Shorts feature, but hides it from your view by filtering out the ones you don't want. And that's everything you need to know about how to delete YouTube Shorts tab from your channel. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.